Hey, what's up everyone? Hope you're all having an amazing day. Welcome to another KCG Tech video. Today we're bringing you the unboxing of iCUE UNIX F96 in avocado. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know I have used this keyboard before in Coral, and it is absolutely one of my favorite mechanical keyboards because it can be used as wired, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, or Bluetooth, and you can connect up to 3 devices. So I had one of these in Coral. Recently I gifted it to my nieces. Unfortunately this one's not for me. This one was ordered for a client, and this one is in avocado color. So with the client's permission, I am gonna unbox it for you, and we're gonna look at first impressions and see what this one's like. And this one is in red switch. We can do a sound test and compare that with ASUS ROG Falcon, which is also in cherry red switch, and I've got Logitech G915 here, which is a low profile mechanical keyboard, but that one's in brown switch. So we can compare that and do a bit of sound test and see how it is. Okay, let's unbox it together. The first thing you'll notice straight away is the box is nicely wrapped in this bubble wrapped sleeve. It is nice and snug fit, so protects it well. I absolutely love how iCUE UNIX have done a great job with the product, the branding and packaging and everything. Okay, so I've got an overhead camera up here that is looking down, so pardon me if I'm just looking up, making sure that the keyboard is in frame so I can give you another perspective. Okay, here it is, the first impressions. I'm gonna unbox it. Da-da-da-da. All right, okay. Bit short on space, so I'm gonna move things around a little bit. Okay, so here is our keyboard. On top of the keyboard, we have this nice dust cover, which is nice to have. Keyboard comes in this nicely packed plastic sleeve. It's sealed, brand new, perfect. I'm just gonna put it here for now so we can look at the other contents of the box. The next thing we look at some documentation, USB adapter, digital area functions, and there is also a nice visual guide to take off your keycaps and replace stabilizer wire and that kind of stuff. Okay, we've got another box here. We're gonna look at the contents of this box, see what's in there. I'm guessing that's a USB cable and an adapter. Ooh, what's this? That's new. I didn't get that when I ordered my keyboard. So you get some extra keycaps here. That's super cool. Okay. And we have a new keycap puller. So we got keycap puller one side and hotkey switch puller other side. They used to give you a flimsy plastic one, which wasn't that good in my opinion. Again, we have a braided cable this time. So braided USB-A to USB-C cable. And we have here we have a USB dongle and USB connector. I'm not sure what that is. When I got mine last year, I didn't receive this, whatever that is. Ooh, no, it's a nice little brush. That's kind of cute. Okay, that's cool. All right, so we're gonna put all these contents aside and look at the main event, which is our keyboard. Okay, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. We got keyboard in here, and let's look at that keyboard. All right, I'm gonna try and gently pull this out. Wow, I kind of like this avocado green color. It's very nice. On the back, we've got a cable and wireless connection switcher. On the front, we've got this tritone look. We've got green, we've got orange, and we've got white. The legends are printed in green on white, and on other colors, the legends are printed in white. So here we have it, guys. F96, 96% mechanical keyboard in cherry red switches. Next thing we're going to do is sound test. We're going to compare this with our Asus ROG Falcon keyboard and with Logitech G915 fitted with brown switch. Okay, so I'm just gonna make some adjustments, bring my mic for the sound test, and we can get started with that. All right, here's our sound test. Ooh, the keys. The thok, that spacebar sounds amazing. It's not loud at all. And other big keys, enter key. They sound great, very clean. If you can see my audio meters, I can tell I'm getting a very clean sound. Okay, great. So this was the sound test on our new iCUE UNIX F96 with Cherry Red. We are going to compare that with what we've got here is Asus ROG Falcon. Let's compare it with that. Oh, this is much louder. Wow. And would you believe they're both fitted with same Cherry Red switch? iCUE UNIX sounds much more controlled, looks like well lubed, and this is very loud. Wow. Here we have it, comparison with ROG Falcon, and the next keyboard we've got here is our Logitech G915 Lightspeed in brown switch. Oh man, this is also very loud. I feel like I'm gonna get me another iCUE UNIX F96 because I kind of miss it. It's not that. This is definitely far more superior keyboard, far more superior mechanical keyboard compared to the other two I have right now. And I think they must have made improvements in their build quality because the Coral one I bought last year was a bit louder, but in saying that, that was in cherry brown switch. This one's cherry red, meant to be a bit more solid. Okay, so let's see. Wow. There we have it, guys. So comparison of three of the most popular keyboards, all mechanicals. One's low profile mechanical in brown, that's Logitech G915 Lightspeed, iCUE UNIX in avocado F96, 96% keyboard fitted with cherry red, and Asus ROG Falcon also fitted with cherry red switches. Love to hear your thoughts. Which one do you think sounded better for you? And which one would you prefer? Drop me a comment. And again, if you've got any value out of it, please drop me a like and a comment. And if this is the kind of content that you enjoy watching, please consider subscribing. That would mean a lot. Okay, thanks again, guys, and I'll see you next time.